What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are still here in South Carolina with this Mustang meet we have going on. I have another guest I'd like for you guys to meet. He goes by Trooper50. This is him right here. He also has a YouTube, so go check him out. They wanted to come over here and show me his, what year is that, 19? 18. So 18 Mustang GT. So let's check it out. 18 Mustang GT with a Vmp Odin. 10R80.
10R80 performance pack, 355 gears. I mean, stock bottom, man. I mean, it doesn't even do the oil pump and timing gears yet. So.
Really? Wow. So I'm gonna show y'all around this car when we get a cold start and fire up. What horsepower you think it makes?
They're claiming about 650, 670.
650, 670. That's on 93 with Mustang?
Yep.
Alright. So it'd be fun. Never rode in a Vmp Odin before. It'll be the first.
It hits pretty hard down low.
That's what I've heard. Yeah, they say they hit hard down low.
And traction is an issue, especially on 275.
Oh yeah, you're on street tires, so yeah. We ain't trying to go dancing in a ditch or nothing. Oh yeah, it's already spinning at 40. Yeah, she's spinning at 40.
That was at 35 and it's halfway in.
I need some drag pack, bad. That's a stock exhaust?
Yep, with X-pipe and headers, long tubes.
It's pipe and long tubes. That's what the active exhaust gives. Is there a button you push that opens that up? I've never
I can go in the dash.
Oh, got you.
Control the settings, or I can change my modes.
Oh, okay.
Little 6-gear roll-ins.
Yeah, little 6-gear roll. Car looks great. And that's a 10-speed?
Yeah.
You got different shifter. That's pretty neat. I like that.
Yeah, UPR products. Get the adjusted grip. It's pretty much the same as the hers, but don't say hers.
Right. How long you had the car?
I've had it for 2 years. It was first year it was stock, then next year pretty much like 6 months after having it, I put it on the 85 Lund tune, and then finally I sold a Fiat. I paid $1,800, sold it around for $4,900, then turned around and bought a Supercharged to put on.
I don't blame you. You can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with a Lund tune, you know. Lund's always been really good to me. I highly recommend Lund to anybody. They've always done really good work with everything I've had.
Suspension's totally done. It's full Steeda suspension, aluminum drive shaft, one piece from DSS, Ford Racing DSS axles.
Have you ever raced the car on the track?
Yeah, my best was a 659 and 8.
659. Was that with a drag pack?
I mean 695. That was with a drag pack, but I was still spinning. My 60 foot was almost a 1.7. So
wow. You know, anything in the 60s is usually really good for a street car, though. Something that's like a legit daily driver. So that's pretty good, man. Whip this thing around.
get on, Bo.
Yeah, she spins every gear, don't she?
Like I said, especially down low, first and second gear, you gotta get anything. I was like, that was half throttle.
Wow. Fun car. Like I said, I've never rode in a Vmp Odin. Actually, I've never rode in a Vmp car at all. This is the first time doing that, so.
That's a little bit more toward the throttle.
Yeah, that felt better too.
Barely getting in the boost.
You gotta use suspend like shocks, factory shocks.
No, they're Steeda adjustable.
Steedas.
With
Okay.
a single adjustable.
I got you.
I need to dial it a touch more rebound on the back. Right now it's at
Factory fronts, factory front shocks.
no Steeda.
All Steeda all the way
All
around.
Steeda.
Wow.
Minimum drop springs.
Nice.
So,
You'll be able to,
like I said,
once
only,
you adjust that, you should get that down to a 6.5 with ease.
oh yeah.
With ease.
I need to go with a little bit taller drag rail. I'm using the 305 45 17.
Yeah.
I was told by many people I should go step up because my gearing is 355. So I should
Right.
step up to a 315 50 17, and that will help out get closer.
Very beautiful place out here, South Carolina. If you can see we call them nature tunnels back home. I like them.
A little bit more curvier roads than where I'm at. I'm from Charleston area, so it's flat.
Wow. Yeah, it's really curvy out here. I like the car, man. Appreciate you taking us for a ride in it, letting us check it out.
No problem.
Like I said, check out Trooper50 if you haven't on YouTube.
More on Instagram, I'm better.
He said Instagram. Check out Trooper50 on Instagram. I'll drop that link right here. We're about to come back.
Uh-oh, he's
You gonna do a
buying it.
burnout?
Huh?
Is he gonna do a burnout? Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Got the ride in the Odin. If you like this video, hit the like button. You ain't subscribed, go subscribe. More videos come. Have a good one.